This is green onions.
Yeah, but this is red onion. But remember I asked you last time what's a shallot? You said I don't know. So I just got this one.
Are you gonna burn those leaves?
Pink one. No. Leaves from the vine. Falling so slow. Okay. And then Nick, can you find the red pepper jar?
Red pepper jar on it.
There's a jar of red peppers.
I will find the jar of red peppers because I am not useless. I have found the jar of fire roasted red peppers.
Yes. Now can you ask chat how much is...
God, this is impossible to open.
Nick.
No, it can't be opened.
Nick.
Dude. Oh, I got it.
2 roasted red bell peppers. Whoa, the spinach disappeared.
Maybe it's a little bit too hot. Close the milk. Good call. Good call, good call. Should I put it back in the fridge too?
Yep.
I remember growing up there, like milk helps build strong bones. Was that ever confirmed to be a thing, or was that just some shit that the milk industry made up to sell stuff?
I have no clue. Okay, Nick, did you open it?
Yeah, it's right here.
So how much of it did you find out?
Two of them.
2 roasted red bell peppers is how much of this?
2 of them.
Oh. But I have to chop it. I thought it was chopped. Okay, is it bad to just use your teeth to chop it?
No.
It's not? Can I just do that?
Yeah.
Yeah? I think 1 is enough. I'll do that. Promise, it's fine.
Yeah, of course.
Nick, are you sure it's okay? Is it okay? It's working. We don't have much time. The spinach is burning. Okay, good.
You know, can we really be upset when birds do this to their children?
Why would it upset you?
So let me get this straight. You put the pepper in your mouth and then use your teeth to chop it up?
Yeah. Okay, I think that's enough.
Chat, what would you do if you figured out that your chef did that at a restaurant?
Hey, whatever. I'm fully vaccinated. You will never know if they do or they don't. All right, then we pour this in.
Someone says, does my chef look like her? So if the chef looked like her, it'd be acceptable, but if the chef looked like me, it wouldn't be? Is that fair?
Bro.
Nah, chat, you guys are fucked up. See, this is that privilege we're talking about. You're dirty? I'm not. Oh, here we go. Something's about to happen.
There's the frittata pin.
That's it.
And then we just wait. And then it says to sprinkle 1/3 cup of crumbled feta cheese. Do you want to do that or
Hell no. Nobody no fucking cheese in that shit.
All right. Okay.
This is it? What about the onions?
I put it there already.
Okay.
It wasn't a lot though. Maybe I should put more. Yeah.
Salt and pepper, perhaps?
I already put, but I can put more.
Is it even cooking? I guess it is.
Yeah.
Susan, thanks for the gifted sub.
Thanks, Susan Newt.
Is she missing anything? It looks about right to me.
Yeah, that's it. And then cheese, but then Nick doesn't like cheese, so we're not putting cheese. A little cheese you want?
Someone said it works better with a lid. You want a lid?
Does it?
I don't know. Let's find out. It's like, how does the top
Thank
get
you, Ice Roar.
Ooh, it actually fits perfectly on there. Is that right?
I don't know.
Lid, yes or no, chat? Quick.
Oh, it says to put it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Can I put the pan in the oven? This is a real question. Can I? I can, right?
They said turn down the
Yeah.
heat with the lid.
No. It cooks in the oven. It cooks in the oven.
Whoa. Can the handle go in there? Well, put it in the middle. Don't put it on top. Can the handle even go in there? The handle has plastic on it.
Does it? No?
Yeah, take that out, man.
There's no plastic. It's metal.
Yes, it's plastic.
Then how else am I? Okay, let's just cook it on the stove.
Yes, we will. Stove.
The recipe said oven.
Well, the recipe was wrong.
Okay.
We put the top back on. Oh my
Alright.
God, what the hell?
There was no plastic on the handle.
Katchii, what do you think this part is? Touch this. You'd burn it.
Metal.
This is metal?
Silicone.
Let's just do this.
Wait, you can't put silicone in the oven?
Put a silicone boob in there and see what happens to it. You cook it.
Oh, so if you have fake boobs, you can't tan? Like the fake tanners?
So you think that getting a fake tan is the same as being in a 400-degree oven?
Yes.
Okay.
Like the self-tanner beds. I know that from...
You're right, yeah.
From Final Destination. Didn't the girl die like that?
No, you're right. You're right. Yeah, there she is. We'll let it cook like that. What's the difference between the oven and cooking in the pan like this? I don't understand the difference.
I don't understand either.
We're done with this, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Oh, I can put that in the
let's
fridge.
keep it clean as we play.
Here, that.
I'm actually feeling better. I feel like the egg is like my body's figuring out what to do with the egg for the first time in 35 years.
Yeah.
And it's putting it in the right spot. And now I'm feeling like maybe I'm getting a second wind of energy here.
Wow, good pin.
You know?
So let me set a timer for 15 minutes.
Okay.
And then,
You want to cook the other one in the meantime?
yes. So let me just set that. I don't know, maybe it will be less than 15 minutes. Right?
What will?
Because we're not putting it in the oven. Okay, Chad, just keep an eye on it and let me know when it's done. Turn off the oven, fine.
All right, chat. Whatever this is fully in your hands.
Yes.
So whether this dish is edible or not, it's on you. No one else has any responsibility but you.
We're not supposed to flip it. I don't think you're supposed to flip it. Flip the frittata? Really? Yes.
You're supposed to flip it?
It's making noise. I think it's communicating.
Wait,
with
why
me.
is it burning?
Okay, I'll flip it then. I don't think it's... Okay, fine. Fine. Let's flip.
Oh no.
Are you sure, Chad?
Oh no,
Are you
dude.
sure? What do you mean no?
Wait. Chat, do we flip yes or no?
I lowered the heat.
Oh, why? It's 50-50, dude. I hate this.
I hate this too. In the recipe, it didn't say to flip it.
All right, we're going to play a new game. All men in chat, shut the fuck up. Women, do we flip it yes or no? We need the women's opinion here. The women are saying yes. Why did Ashley say dots?
Ashley, which one?
Someone named Emily said no.
I think no. I think just like scrape the sides. Then this will be a pancake, not a frittata.
What's looking on the bottom?
Oh, it's
Is it
almost
burnt?
done.
Wait, show us the bottom part. No, don't flip it.
Yeah, I don't think we should.
No flipping.
It's almost done.
Just cook with the lid.
I think without the lid.
Without the lid? Well, the top part is the part that's...
Okay.
It's burnt. Oh, the fire!
Ah, Nick!
You just fart?
Yeah. I don't know why.
Did anyone hear that? Did anyone hear her fart?
No one heard me.
You got scared of the fire and farted? Oh, it's okay. Come here. A little bit of a fart to make the kitchen smell worse than it already does.
It's the egg, it's not the fart. You'll never know which one it is. Okay, let's make
Dude. Premium gas. I can't believe you farted. That's so funny.
What? Okay, let's make the Korean street
Dude,
toast
there's
egg.
one guy in chat who's really happy you did that.
Like one of that
I thought
too.
that was Buddy.
Yes, fart, that was Buddy. There's no way the microphone picked that up. Okay, I think it's, yeah, maybe like 30 more seconds, it's done. 1 minute. But yeah, in the meantime, we can do the other recipe. Rest
So
in
did the
peace.
mic pick that up or not?
It did? No. Guys, bad.
Can you guys make the sound in chat of what it made, like what it sounded like in chat? Just type it in chat. What did it sound like? Like type it out. Oh man.
Whatever. Everyone farts.
I really like the woman you're becoming.
What?
Cause I really appreciate it's a real woman, you know?
What? Because I farted?
Yeah.
Why?
Cause you just don't give a shit. That's awesome.
Good.
That's awesome. Nick, I am your father. You're not.
How's the frittata looking, Dean?
Don't ask me. I'm done with that. The frittata, I've washed my hands with it.
Why?
Because
What if I said that?
I gotta do my exercises.
Still issue. I think. Chat, is it done? 30 more seconds. 30 more seconds.
There we go.
Okay. Can you get me a napkin? Thank you. Okay. Can you get 2 slices? Oh my god!
Oh my God. I'm allergic to something here. God.
Did chat see the water come out of you?
No. Jesus Christ.
Because in the light, I saw all the water particles. Oh.
You farted earlier. Don't forget that. What was worse, my sneeze or her fart?
Your sneeze. You just farted too!
I did not.
You
I
farted.
didn't. I didn't fart.
You farted!
I didn't fart. That was
You
my.
farted.
I know. I didn't fart. That was.
You did!
That was my foot. I didn't fart.
You farted. I heard you.
I didn't
Why
fart.
are you smiling like that?
I didn't fart.
No, Nick farted.
I didn't fart.
You did. You smiled at me as you did it.
You farted.
You also farted.
Chat, who farted?
Ian.
Dude, we're 30 by the way. Oh, not you.
Haha.
Rock, paper, scissors?
I already won.
Okay. You lost, by the way.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Real quick, real quick. Let's go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Come on, let's go, real quick.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Too easy. You're so competitive.